Summer's coming, and if you think about it, one of the best things to do in the summer is to have great food, people over, barbecue, maybe sitting by the pool. But think about how many times a year you get ready for that summer body, and then it all goes to hell all summer long because all you do is sit out and you eat. I'm learning every single day since changing my eating habits and my diet that there is a way to prevent this. I have been playing with new recipes and new ideas each and every day to try to keep myself in better shape, lose weight, and still manage to enjoy the foods that I eat. When you're done watching this, hopefully you'll have an idea of how you also can have a healthier snack and something to enjoy sitting outside in the summer or even after work or even after the gym. Today I'm gonna make a superfood shake, a avocado cucumber shake, obviously with other ingredients, and it's delicious and it's hydrating and it's quite filling. With that being said, today I'm going to make this shake so we can get started by going over what items that we're going to need. The first thing that we're going to need is a medium cucumber. Then we will use an avocado. We need 1 cup of ice, 2 cups of, I'm using coconut almond milk, a tablespoon of honey, obviously a blender, a cup to pour it into. I'm going to use my favorite Stress Factory Comedy Club cup, and we will need a knife and a cutting board. So now that you know all the items that we're going to need, let's get started first by cleaning the cucumber, which, as you can see by the glistening shine, it has already been done. So this recipe calls for half of a cucumber, so we're going to cut this in half, and yes, we're going to leave the skin on, and we're going to cut this very carefully so I don't slice my fingers off. And we're going to cut it into quarters first, so that it'll be smaller pieces, which should make it easier to blend in the blender. Nobody likes to hit the blender on and then just have it going, and I don't really want to eat chunks in my smoothie. Okay, so we will take the cucumbers. Once they're cut, we'll push them off to the side, and then we will grab our avocado. Okay, please be very careful when cutting an avocado. I like to cut it in the middle until I feel that pit. Some people call it the heart. I'm going to call it a pit in the middle. I mean, I don't really know what else. You can go with it however you like. Peel it, 2 halves. I am going to continue to struggle with this pit. There we go, not too shabby. So you can see our avocado is beautifully ripe, and you want to cut this down the middle. Again, being careful, tough to show on the camera without, cutting myself. This avocado is so soft. I'm cutting it 3 ways, and then I'm turning it and cutting it again in different directions. To take the avocado out, we're going to take a spoon. I'm actually going to pull the blender cup over to do this now over the blender. This way there's no mess and it's not just sitting on the cutting board. So we pull the avocado out, and it just looks so delicious. And as you can see, I'm still struggling with the avocado in the middle. No big deal, because I was smart enough to know that the struggle may happen, and I already did another half of an avocado. At this time, I will grab the cucumbers and put those on top. Our next ingredient is to grab 2 cups of the milk that we're going to use. So grab your measuring cup, and we will pour in 2 cups to make sure that the recipe is being followed. This too, once measured out, can go into the blender. Cover this up so we don't spill it, or we'll just move it. Next, we want to add our 1 cup of ice. And last but not least, it calls for 1 tablespoon of honey. But folks, let's be honest. If you put honey on a spoon, it takes forever to just drip off. So how about we just eye this one up and just say that looks like about a tablespoon. Those are all of our ingredients for this super smooth smoothie. Next thing we want to do is grab the lid of the blender, which I have behind me, pop it on, and then we're gonna blend this for just a couple of seconds. Now I have the blender behind me, so let's move over here. And we are literally gonna put this on the ice drink and mix. Sounds like we got everything, got all the chunks out from the ice. Sounds very smooth. We're gonna pop the top here. New blender, literally bought it for this project, so let's just take the top off till we figure out how to work it. Pour it into our cup. And for the project that I'm actually doing for school, I am being told that I have to drink this on camera. So we're gonna try this for the first time together. I hope this goes well. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. This is much better than I thought it would be. As you can see, we've made a wonderful summer drink, snack. It's ice cold. And we did this by using only 7 items and doing so in 8 simple steps. So this summer, while you're sitting out by the pool or relaxing with friends, try this instead of all of those chips and snacks that you just sit and then regret eating when you're all done.